So in my last video, I spoke about Dogecoin, but what I did not realize is that Dogecoin is actually not a cryptocurrency like all of the other ones. It's a religion. People got so offended when I spoke about it, so I would like to apologize to the Doge gods. In all seriousness though guys, welcome to the channel. My name is LHM, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you 4 ways you can make money using cryptocurrency. Now, this is not one of those become a millionaire overnight videos at all. It's actually 4 realistic ways you can use and I have used to make money using cryptocurrency. I'm going to tell you what I use to make money and what works for me right now and what I tried in the past and didn't work for me. All of these will be mentioned at the end of this video. First, let's go into the first one. So the first method you can make money is the riskiest of all 4 I'm going to talk about right now. However, it's probably one of the most fun. And it's something I somewhat succeeded at, but I decided to not proceed with it, and that is day trading. For those of you who don't know, day trading is actually buying a stock or crypto or whatever you're buying and then doing a quick trade with it and selling it after a few minutes, a few hours, and at max selling it before the day ends. That is what it is in a nutshell. So basically making quick profits. You can easily make money with this. However, you can easily lose money if you're not disciplined enough and if you're not actually well prepared. For this kind of trading, you really don't care about fundamental analysis or the news or anything. All you care about is technical analysis and how the coins look at this moment in time. So basically you have to learn something called technical analysis, which is learning different signals that might tell you where the market might go next. Now you can learn technical analysis almost anywhere. There's a lot of books about it. There's a lot of videos on YouTube. There's a lot of courses, but if you want to go the free route, YouTube is a great way to start. You can definitely learn a lot on it. However, keep in mind this is very stressful and very time consuming. And if you don't have time in your hands, or if you really don't want to add that stress to your life, I'd recommend you not even try it. However, I would recommend you actually learn technical analysis because it's going to help you analyze longer term charts in case you want to do something like the second method, which is swing trading. Now, swing trading is very similar to day trading. It's almost exactly the same. However, the time frame is longer. So instead of buying a crypto and selling it after minutes or less than a day, you actually hold it for a day or 2 or maybe even a week. So basically the difference between swing trading and day trading is that swing trading is way less stressful because it's slower paced, because day trading is very fast paced, especially if you're looking at something like the 1 minute or 2 minute or 5 minute chart. However, swing trading is a bit more laid back, and with that comes more profits, because once you give a longer time frame for the coin, it's going to grow more in, let's say, 5 days than it's going to grow in 5 minutes. So basically swing trading is going to yield higher returns for the most part, maybe even higher losses if you're not positioned correctly or if you don't have stop losses placed correctly. However, it's going to be way less stressful for you and way less micromanagement from your end. You just buy, set in your stop loss, and then wait for it until it actually reaches your goal or your target, if it actually does. Keep in mind, guys, that both day trading and swing trading are very risky. I'm not saying you cannot make money in it. I know a few people who make a lot of money day trading and swing trading. However, it doesn't come easily and it does take a lot of practice and patience and discipline from your end. So if you want to go the day trading or the swing trading route, make sure you learn about risk reward management. Make sure you always keep your stop losses in. And what that is that, let's say you buy a coin at $1 and let's say you want to lose a maximum of 3%. What you do is you set a stop loss at $0.97 or 97 cents, which basically means that your position will automatically close, or you will automatically sell that coin if it goes to $0.97 or lower. That way, the maximum you can lose is 3%, and the maximum you can gain is however much you actually want to gain. If you want to swing or day trade, make sure you be very cautious and always keep your stop losses in and protect yourself, because you don't want to turn a small loss into a way bigger one. Now, let's jump into the third method of making money using cryptocurrency, and that is with long-term investing. Long-term investing is buying a crypto and holding it for at least 1 year. So this way of making money goes almost hand in hand with the fourth way of making money, and you'll understand why when I mention it. But long-term investing is basically buying a crypto and holding it for at least 1 year. So you buy, let's say, Bitcoin now, and you don't plan on selling it until at least a year from now. I have been holding some coins for about 4 years. I do some trades in between and trade off coins to other coins. However, roughly I've been buying and holding crypto for about 4 years, which is insane now that I think about it. And to me, this has been the most profitable, and the return I get on my investment percentage wise is way higher, and the amount of time I get to save by not day trading is also very high. So if you would like to go into long-term investing, what you should do is do your own research about a coin. For example, let's say Dogecoin. You do your research about Dogecoin and then you read about it. And then let's say you like it and you think right now the price is fairly decent and it's not at the all-time high. Let's say it's 50% less than what it costed at the all-time high, and you think, oh, this is actually a good price for me to buy. then you can buy it and not plan on selling it for at least a year or two. And then hopefully you will be rewarded for your patience, and then you would sell at a higher price than you actually bought. This is long-term investing in a nutshell. Again, this to me is my favorite, and it has been the best so far. The fourth way to make money using cryptocurrency is by earning interest on your crypto. The reason I said this goes hand in hand with the previous point is because in order to earn interest on your cryptos, you actually have to be holding those cryptos and having them in your account. So instead of having your cryptos in a platform that does not pay you interest for storing your cryptos on them, or if you're storing your cryptos offline and you would like to actually earn interest on those cryptos, then you can use something like BlockFi. There's many platforms out there you can use. I personally use BlockFi. I love that platform. They pay me interest at the beginning of every month, which is great. And also you can earn up to 8.6% annual percentage yield if you store cryptos on their platform. And comparing that to the 0.5% annual percentage yield you get from storing US dollars in a savings account, it's a no-brainer. Keep in mind, guys, this is not a sponsored video. This is something that I use and I have been enjoying so far. The beauty of BlockFi is that the interest is compounded. So let's say you own one Bitcoin and you're earning interest on that Bitcoin. What that means is that you're gonna have a Bitcoin and you're gonna earn interest on that Bitcoin, and then you're gonna earn money on the Bitcoin plus the interest you earned on Bitcoin, and then you're gonna earn money on the interest plus the Bitcoin, if that makes sense. So if you want to have your cryptos work for you and earn more cryptos for you instead of just sitting there in your account, and you want to earn up to 8.6% annually, check out the link in the description for BlockFi. This is an affiliate link, so I do get a small percentage. However, it's at no additional cost to you guys. Personally, I have experience in all four of the methods that I mentioned before. I started with long-term investing, and then I dove into day trading, which I was pretty successful at. I was able to turn 17 Litecoins into 35 Litecoins, and to be honest with you guys, it was nice and all. It was a good experience. However, it took so much time. It consumed so much of my time, and I was constantly on the charts because since the crypto markets don't close, I was sleeping with the laptop next to me with alerts on, which wakes me up in the middle of the night so I can continue my trading, which was super unhealthy to me. So I decided to not go with it, and I decided it was just not worth my time or the energy that it took out of me. So personally, I decided to go long-term investing with occasional trades where if I see an opportunity, I just jump on it instead of consistently 24/7 having the charts opened up in front of me and basically sucking my soul out. So I'm going to leave you with one tip, and that is be careful when you follow people and when you listen to people online or anywhere for that matter, because truth be told, we are all playing a different game when it comes to investing. In trading in general, we all play a different game. What might work for me doesn't necessarily have to work for you. So you might be someone who actually needs to make, let's say, the $100 profits every day, and you actually need them to buy groceries or to buy food. Then that might be your choice. Personally, my choice, I'm thinking more long-term. This might also work for you. So remember, we are all playing different games. Make sure you identify what game you're actually playing before actually deciding what route you would like to take. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more, and don't forget to use the link in the description if you want to sign up for BlockFi and start earning interest and grow that crypto portfolio. See you on the next one. Peace out.